So, day 4 of the winter arc challenge. As you can see, I'm recording on my phone today because I had a very big setback today. I was not well, so I couldn't complete any of my tasks for today. The only thing I did was solve one lead code question. And one more thing, my total screen time for today was less than an hour. Can you imagine? Do you want to know the secret of how I got less than an hour? I just slept the whole day. So if you want to reduce your screen time, just sleep the whole day. So keeping that aside, today I couldn't do anything, but we're gonna come back stronger, and I hope I'll get well tomorrow and I can complete all my tasks. And that's it. See you tomorrow.